Hey my dolls, welcome back to my channel. This video is super late, but we're getting it done. It's gonna be all over the place just because I have a job and it starts in like 9 minutes. So you're starting off with your two oval shapes. I did that little pointy part trying to be cute, but it's very unnecessary. You don't need that pointy part at the top. So if you fold that over and cut a downward shape, you're going to get something like this. This is going to make the curve of the belly. And yes, you are doing this with felt and they make different colors, so you'll hopefully be able to have one that matches the skin tone of your doll. So then you want to take your elastic and glue that on the smaller circle. The smaller circle being the bottom of the stomach, and you want to make sure that can fit around the doll. And then you glue on the top circle that is bigger, and it's going to make a concave shape. Science. So it's going to look like this. And when you stuff it, I stuff mine with batting. So that's, you see where the little pointy part is like just in the way and just kind of looks very odd. I was like, oh, this could go between the bosoms, but it's not working. So just don't do that. Also, I put like a harness type of extra piece of elastic under the crotch area. That is also unnecessary, so you can skip that part as well. I did that so to keep the slippery felt from going too far up her stomach. But yeah, you don't need that. So this is how it looks, and you can use other material other than felt, but this is just the easiest material to use. Sorry, that was a truck passing by. So yes, I hope this method is going to work for somebody who needs a pregnancy belly. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.